अपने मम्मी पापा से लेके आते हैं, अपने नाना नानी दादा दादी से लेके आते हैं, उसी तरह मुझे लगता है कि एक टीचर स्टेट भी होता है या एकेडमिक या नौकरी के बारे में, मतलब जो टीचर से हम स्टेट लेके आते हैं और वो हमारे जेनेटिक्स में तो नहीं पता, लेकिन हमारे बिहेवियर में वो चेंज आ जाता है या तो सर्दी प्रोसेस से खर्च होता है। और जो ये भी तो पता है कि हम जैसे मतलब कितना ज्यादा टीचर को फॉलो किए, कितना ज्यादा उसकी बातों को ध्यान से सुने कि वो ट्रेन हमारे में अपने आप आ गया। ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है लाइफ की। टीचर कहे ना रहे, क्योंकि वो ट्रेन टीचर का हमारे साथ आता है और वो जनरेशन से जनरेशन जाता है। मैथ से अच्छा लगता
fellow colleagues as well as dear students. Thank you for inviting here on the dad. Really, when if you have asked that how you were sharing that you were getting nervous for certain moments, I have to tell you, maybe that I have not transformed to that level, but in my life, when my father died in high school, I was nurtured by his mother, and you know that his nerve was there and I have to appear in the examination. So his class fellow, Tulsiram Yadav, he was the headmaster of the primary school, and Tulsiram as well as Dhananand Singh, three fellows, suggested me to appear in the examination, and certainly I was the lone person to get first class that time, 1926 in Lalganj. My father was there in Banaras. So I remember a lot that his energy was generated by these three, and let me tell you how I have transformed it. Maybe that you may not believe, but I have only three ways to tell. If you want to transform yourself, you should have self-determination. Number one, build his care. Number two, self-restraint, Atma-Sanjam. You have not to do all those things which is going to divert your energy. Maybe that you are criticized by your friends. Don't worry. Number third, self-energization. How do you energize? You know that you have already heard. I have taught you that the chlorophyll A molecule is a reactor. And light energy is trapped by chlorophyll pigment and accessory pigments. Those accessory pigments, those are carotenoids and others. You see, Guru Saptaya Namaha, one accessory. Mahatma Kamlev Namaha, another accessory. Elders, जो बड़े हैं, वो other accessory. When they bless you, you get energized. Your instant Shama. Don't be very politician, don't be very clever. I have told you in the class, you might be remembering, लाखों क्लास मरे होंगे तो मैं पैदा हुआ. Lekin I don't do this nonsense. People that I know that Almighty is there to see. If I am involved in these nonsense things, energy cannot be. And I tell you, when you intervene me, मेरे interview में I have said, there is no. If I have decided, I will do it. If it is a by default, I will do it. Nobody can stop you from getting your goal. Because you have to energize yourself to make yourself better. Then you can make your home better, and then you can make your society better, and then you build the nation. So that is the way I have learned from Babu Chaman Singh. Isli is there. And let me tell you today, you have to take the control. Everybody, you should know maybe that you are thinking that I am boxing. I am not suffering, मैं जूझ नहीं दे रहा, मेरे लाइफ का कष्ट है, because I have learned myself, I have transformed every day. I was not good person in behavior, I have transformed it. Every day you have to think that how will transform. If you go in wrong direction, you will just lose your energy. My dear students, don't get disappear. There is no way to disappear. Are you a part of the Ishwar God and you have the energy, your electron has been motivated. You know that सिद्ध पुरुष ने हाथ छुआ और ये हो गया, क्यों? एनर्जाइज। रामकृष्ण परमहंस ने हाथ रखा, ठीक हो गया, क्यों? विवेकानंद बेहोश हो गए। For 6 hours and he said that ये तो ब्राह्मण जो है वो है तांत्रिक है, लेकिन आज he became the best people, you know why? Because Ramkrishna Paramahansa was the person who energized. Now let me tell you, अर्थात आपको संकल्प लेते हुए वेदों से इससे होता है, आप सभी संकल्प लो। अमुक गोत्रोत्पन्न अमुक नाम अहम सत्प्रवृत्ति संवर्धनाय दुष्प्रवृत्ति उन्मूलनाय लोक कल्याणाय आत्म कल्याणाय वातावरण परिष्काराय उज्ज्वल भविष्य कामना पूर्ते प्रबल पुरुषार्थ करिष्ये अस्मय प्रयोजनाय इति कर्म संपदार्थम संकल्पम अहम करिष्ये। That is what I want to say. I don't know whether I am fit for that or not, but this is my mantra of the life. I don't bother what to say. Thank you very much.